Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a couple of accessories that I think will be an ideal combination of things for content creators like myself who record a lot by yourself. Now, of course, if you guys are familiar with the Neo 2, you already know that this is a powerhouse. It has, 360 obstacle avoidance, LiDAR, all of those cool features. Of course, you can hand launch this. You can use this with an FPV controller, goggles, and also the RC2 controller. Now, for most people getting started, what I recommend for this drone as we're going to just say your cameraman in the sky is going to be the following. Okay, so more importantly than anything else, you're going to need good audio. Audio is number one in a lot of these type of scenarios, guys. So I found this little bundle here just recently, and this is some DJI microphones. Let me show you guys what comes in this little pouch. So you actually get a double cable here, so you can charge both of the microphones. It comes with two microphones. So you get two of these little mini mics that you guys see here. Those are very convenient. It also comes with two of the little charging cradles, magnetic, pop on like that. So that's another accessory, and it also comes with the most important component, which is this little receiver. Now, this little receiver is what's going to make the magic work, guys. This is going to allow us to connect this to our controller and be able to record our voice in real time while we're flying the drone. Okay, so easily enough, simple. I'm not going to make this a complex video. I'm just going to show you guys a simple way you can do this. All you're going to need to do is take your controller after turning it on, and you have your USB underneath here. You're just going to plug this guy right into your USB input. Now, this also has noise cancellation built into it as well. So you do have the ability here to, switch from no noise cancellation to low or to high. Really nice, very inexpensive, guys. These microphones, I think I found them for about $45 on Amazon. So that's going to allow you to record your screen, and then you'll be able to pair that up in post with the video that's coming from your drone. Okay, now if you don't want to record your audio while you're recording, maybe you want to be more immersive when you're recording whatever it is that you're using this drone for. Here's another accessory that I think is going to be ideal for a lot of you guys. Now, you've seen me do videos on this quite a few times. Since then, I've seen quite a few people doing videos on these VR glasses. But what these do, guys, is take your screen and turn this almost into the equivalent of wearing goggles when you're flying the drone. So you'll be able to plug these right in, same place. Let's take that out. And it comes with the cable, everything you're going to need for the glasses. 90-degree angle, just going to plug that guy in just like that. And then you can plug this now into your controller. And when your controller is on, you'll be able to see the screen of your controller through these glasses. Okay, so the advantage to that is if you're, exploring someplace, and especially when we're outdoors in the sun. I'm down here in Texas, so you guys know what I'm talking about, and you can't see that screen very well. This is just going to give you an easier way to be able to see your screen. Unfortunately, these microphones don't have internal recording, so if you do want to record your audio as well, you could go with something like the Mic 2, which does have internal recording, and you'll be able to record yourself and still use the glasses. And that there's no bypass where you can plug this in and then still plug the microphones in. And no, these will not connect using Bluetooth. So for those that might be curious about that, I know I'll see that in the comments probably, but no, you cannot connect that using Bluetooth. But these are just some options. And then another thing that you do not want to leave out of your planning is going to be a good bag. Okay, so let me see if I can tilt this camera up a little bit so I can show you guys this bag. I know we talked about it before, but this is from our friends over at Start RC. This is a drone bag. It has a lot of different storage, including at the top if you're going to be carrying goggles or your controller. So you have pretty much everything you need right here to really expand your ability to create content no matter where you go. Every day you're not going to need all of this stuff. Some days you can just go out with just your drone, guys, and this is going to give you more than enough, B-roll footage and tracking footage and all that kind of stuff when we're on our scooters, our bikes, motorcycles, whatever it is, follow a car, whatever. But if you really want to step it up a little bit, I do recommend that you take a look at some of these accessories, because these are things that I think have really expanded my ability to be able to create content without having to worry about having someone there to assist me. So I just want to do a quick video showing you guys some options. So let me know down in the comments, which of these have you tried? Which of these are you more interested in? If you have additional questions about these, yes, these are all plug and play solutions. So you don't have to install anything. Obviously, you can't install anything on the controller anyway. So this is ideal, guys. Just get yourself, the microphone, the receiver, get yourself a pair of these goggles. There's some newer versions of these that are out on the market right now that basically the same. You can find these probably a lot cheaper than, when I first talked about them. And they do basically the same thing. You're going to get that equivalent 201-inch screen in 1080p. Yeah, it's good. It's good. And you get this really nice little travel carrying case that you can just throw in your bag along with all of your other gear. So definitely take a look at this. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.